Adversity, that's what I'd like to talk about. People are afraid of what they don't understand. We celebrate workers from different cultures and backgrounds in our business. There are many innovative ways of working. We found that the best workers are the ones who have taken risks, creative problem solvers, and the internet is the ultimate leveler. If you don't understand anything I'm saying, please buzz me, hit the red button. We're based out on Swanston Street, Melbourne. There is another team as well in Vietnam and India. But basically, every one of these guys is specialists in their field. I've got myself, I'm a UX specialist, which is user interface. I'm a digital project manager. Clinton is an Android specialist. Paul works out on Swanston Street and he is an iOS app developer. iOS is Apple's platform, which is Apple Apps. Simple as that, interactive operating system. And me is a PHP, CSS and jQuery development specialist. Oh, there's a few there, yeah, sorry. Some of the guys familiar with web, that's cascading style sheets, which what that means is makes every website look pretty. Instead of using Flash, what we use is something called jQuery, which is visible on many phones. Graphical user interface, Jonathan and myself. App and online marketing, we've got Amit there with the mustache. We're based out on Swanston Street, and what we do a lot of is invite a lot of entrepreneurs that we work together. And what we'll basically do, everyone works from home, unless there's a lot of emails that we can avoid, and we catch up and just bounce ideas and jot down a blueprint, and then we get back to work. Everyone's environment. Sometimes people have a nice setup at home that they prefer, no problems. We believe that the internet is the ultimate leveler. Any small business can be scalable, regardless of country, age, sex, or language. Anything that simply adds professionalism to the freestyle way of thinking through proven project management methods. It offers hope to many from Australia to third world countries. As some have caught up with me, I've let them know that I do want to take this offshore and help other countries to pump out projects as our generation understands this stuff to educate other generations. We get as many ideas on paper for our clients, such as this stuff. So this is an ideas map. So you jot down things that you may or may not want to include in an app. You pop it down, we sticky tape it all together and create a wireframe. Reverse engineer as well. So it's not hard to find how the competitors get to where they are. Leading competitors, we can simply right-click, view source, and there's our blueprints. It's hard to keep secrets online. High-quality work standards through our proven system, which is just a small snippet there. Project management software. We all work toward universal programming standards. So again, it doesn't matter if someone's beside me or working from home. It's the web that ultimately lets us know if we're on the right track or not. Support is always readily available. What we do, humble websites, mobile apps. This is a typical process that people will experience, our customers. So all secrets, it could be a next $1 million idea, and that's what we do. We sign an NDA, so it's intellectual property that's saved, and we won't discuss that with anyone. Then we get down to the fun part, which is ideas and brainstorm through papers and anything else, clippings from magazines, bring it in. We'll have a look and see how people do that. Project scope variables, the 3 pillars: time, cost and resources, design, 3 rounds of changes, and then we'll move on to development and execution. I'll go into detail, ideas. This is a small snippet of what we do. Get as many ideas on paper, and then in the background there's a digital prototype development. So one thing that we do is a digital prototype, and this is a clickable working model that people can take to investors, such as a big thing is crowdfunding these days, where you put it online and people from around the world can bid and take a stake in your idea. Debugging, 3 rounds of testing, client question and answers, explanations, education, resources and client training. One of our core philosophies is no jargon. We have to make it very simple for our clients to understand, because what we found is that the more that people understand what we do, the more ideas flourish. Execution. So this is Jobs Australia. They created the pre-launch buzz, letting people know, such as the Canberra Raiders and Huawei, that their website will be up and running. Analytics, measuring standards, as people would understand the importance of that and ongoing support. This one just came in yesterday. The City of Melbourne just awarded a tender to one of our clients, Patricia Maselli, and they sell crepes in the old newsstands. So they've converted these little stands into mobile crepe factories, and the lines are huge. Anything that supports your ideas, ongoing support, maintenance, app and website updates. Now, links to our folio and case studies will be available on our website soon under the folio tab. And that's a big thank you.